Hey, it's John-Marc and welcome to this creative lesson. That's right. So we're going to actually take a shape of a fish, sketch it out, and put a person's name in the middle. Actually, Mary. So the first thing that I like to do here is create the quick little outline that I did of a really fish, and then I take the letters and now I'm just shaping them in that object. In this case it's a fish, and thereafter I'll come back and add some more details to it. So this is the key reason why sketching is so very important, and why a lot of people aren't sharing it. I don't know, because that's a losing art, and this is where you get your thought process out. It's much easier to do it that way. So I got the M, A, and I have the R, and next of course the Y, and that's going to fit in the back part of the fin there. I love creativity like this, and I do this with a lot of fish and with people's name because of my series, The Friend Fish. If you haven't heard that, you gotta check it out. Check out my website. That's jmg-studio.biz. You're gonna learn a lot about myself and my Friend Fish series. All right, so now comes the creative part, is making the fish come out of that shape with that name in there. I have a little eyeball on there right now, putting some fins on there. I give a little curly cube on the top there, little girly girl thing. Put some fins on the bottom. All right, there you go. And another little one hanging on the opposite side. And let's put another little fin in the back side there, a little bit there. And as you can see here, it's just really quick sketching right now, and then I'll come back and I'll probably get a little heavier, like right now on the Y. So you can actually see the tail fin in that shape. And here's the R. I'll just shape it up. And these are really fun to color and give away for a gift. So if you're looking for a fun gift to give to your parent or a friend, this is a fun way of doing it. Take a shape of an animal or a fish or whatever of interest and turn it into their name at the same time. So it's two images at the same time. I just had that side fin. Now let's get the mouth in there right now for the fish. Stick out that little lip there. There you go. Okay, let's get that little shape a little bit more and work around all those letters there at the same time. All right, it's a cross between a word and an object. In this case, it's a name. It's kind of fun. And you can play around with it a little bit more. They're getting a little bit detailed. So again, this is just a sketch. So when you get further down to liken what you're actually doing in your creation, then you might want to actually take it to a light box and redraw it, and then create it and color it in the way that you like to. Is it color pencils or watercolor? In this case, because it's a fish and water, you get it. Anyway, so now getting back to a little bit of the more details to the fish, so you can kind of see the letters and the fins in that case transparent in there. That A on the bottom there, that's looking good. Okay, let's see what we can do over here a little bit. Let's get some of those little fins in there. Yeah, there we go. So it looks like a fin. So now you can see that there, a little cut in there for the back of the fin. And let's get that top there a little bit more. Yeah, let's get the top of the fins. There we go. Little quick little lines, speed lines in there, and a little on the bottom. All right. Let's get that mouth a little bit darker. There we go. Looking good. And that little lip there. Well, since he's a fish, got to add some bubbles. Of course, need some bubbles. So, all right. I think we're just about done. As always, I want to say make sure you sign and date it and share with your friends and family with that. And thanks for watching this video. And as always and always, have a great day. Thanks again. Don't forget to stop at our website. That's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you're going to enjoy our latest drawing book that's now available on our website, How to Draw 50 Cute Cartoons. So make sure you stop at our website. That's jmg-studio.biz. And thanks a lot.